so stretchy. Hello guys. I'm so squishy. Quack. I'm a little squishy. Which one is your favorite?
Baby, baby.
Yes, Papa.
Playing dress up?
Yes, Papa. Slime
Are
with
you
the
sleepy?
Yes, Papa.
Go to bed.
It's fine. Let's open the LOL pack. You got Snow Bunny. So cute. Milk carton.
Baby, baby.
Yes, Papa.
Are those cupcakes?
Yes, Papa.
Is that healthy?
No, Papa.
Go to
It's
bed.
Angel backpack. Here we go. We got Snow Bunny. Cupcakes. Not healthy. Dress up. So silly. Candy. Not healthy. Let's open the num zippers. Oh, this one's so cute. Sugar cream. Wow, this one's so cute. Candy waffle twins. Opening
Baby,
the
baby.
slime. Yes, Papa. Here's the slime.
Jumping on the
Let's
bed.
see which
Yes,
one we get.
Are you sleepy?
I can see something.
Go to bed.
Oh, this one's so cute. Here is Tiny Tomato. It's a color change. It can color change.
Baby, baby.
Yes, Papa. Which
Is
one
that
your
cake?
favorite? Yes, Papa.
Is that healthy?
No, Papa.
Go to bed. Baby, baby.
Yes, Papa.
Is that candy?
Yes, Papa.
Is that healthy?
No, Papa.
Go to bed.
Unicorn food. Unicorn magic. I think I know who I got. Let's put the unicorn food. 1, 2, 3.
Baby, baby.
Yes, Papa. Shake it up.
Playing dress up?
Yes, Papa.
Are you sleepy?
Yes, Papa.
Go to bed.
Stop, poop, da panda. Let's put in the unicorn magic.